जरा गौर फरमाए हमारी बातों पर, कहानी एक अच्छी लिखी है। कि जरा गौर फरमाए हमारी बातों पर, कहानी एक अच्छी लिखी है। मोहब्बत, फरेब और ख्वाबों की साजिश है ये, पर जो है सच ही लिखी है। So hello everyone, as well as you know about me that I am Maya Gurung from Patna, and today I am revealing a story. So listen it carefully because it is the story of friendship and love. So this is the story of two friends whose friendship was started from their sixth standard. In first 2 years, their friendship was not so good, but along with time, their bond became stronger. And now they are in standard 9th and their friendship are quite good. But कहते हैं ना, जब कोई चीजें बहुत अच्छी चल रही होती है तो किसी ना किसी की नजर लगी जाती है. So this same proverb applied on their friendship. Let me clear it first that both of them are girls. At this time, one among those two friends fell in love with a boy, and this was the only moment from where their friendship started to become weaker. You might have heard that a single person can change someone's whole life. But wait, now you are going to witness it by the help of this story. There is another twist in this story that the same boy was in love with both girls. But there was a huge difference between their love. There is a true love and a fake love. In the same context by the same person with two different girls. There is another popular proverb based on girls' life that is, लड़कियों का दिमाग घुटनों में होता है. और ये बात उन दोनों में से एक लड़की ने प्रूव भी कर दी. Yes, one among those two girls was well known about it that boy can never love her. But she believed him blindly. Why? It is a suspense. The girl was unknown that she was being used for entertainment. She was in illusion that there is someone who is loving her. But it is also right that illusion does not remain forever. And one day the boy broke her illusion by revealing the truth in front of her. The girl was shocked to hear that she got broken. But she was not in situation to do anything. So she decided to leave away from him and she did not talk with that boy for some days. But later, the same boy come again in her life with a proposal of friendship. And again, that innocent girl accepted his proposal. But this time, friendship between them was far better than their love story. But again, a small mistake or a misunderstanding destroyed everything. And do you know what was that misunderstanding? That was the past of one girl among both girls. Being a friend, the first girl shared her past with second girl and the second girl misunderstood it and placed it in front of boy. Why? It is also known. Maybe there might be some reasons, but that single misunderstanding destroyed their friendship again. हाँ, उसका उस लड़के के अतीत के बारे में उस लड़के को यह बताना यह मतलब नहीं था, उससे दूर करना था, but because of that, everything ruined. The problem was not in that girl's past. Problem is that the girl told something else and that girl understood something else and told that boy something else. The girl was known about it that the boy was misunderstanding her. But that girl does not care because she thinks that boy did not trust her, neither her love nor her friendship. The girl wants that the boy should come and clear everything with her. But she can't do anything. Because maybe that boy does not want to talk to her and she does not know what is her fault. But now she accepted that it must be her fault. Today no one is happy because one of those three relationships was thinking that she is not a good girl and the second girl was thinking my friend has changed. But nobody was thinking about that girl who wants to save her both relations. And because of this story, I thought that if love can fill your life with happiness, then love can also destroy your life with tears and pains. So it is the best to be alone and stay away from any kind of illusion. Because in this era, sab moh maya hai. This story does not end here. It continues even today. But the difference is that here two people are in love and a girl is learning from her mistakes. Now I want to finish my story with a shairi. That is, मेरा अशर क्या हुआ देखो यारा मेरे, जब कोई बीच सड़क छोड़ दे तो पता लगेगा. तू कल भी नहीं था मेरा और कभी होगा भी नहीं. तू कल भी नहीं था मेरा और कभी होगा भी नहीं. पता है मुझे, फिर भी डर लगा रहता है कि अगर किसी के साथ